Here's the news of the day.
Honeywell and NXP Semiconductors expanded their partnership at CES 2025 to develop AI-driven avionics, enhancing autonomous flight and cockpit displays for companies like Vertical Aerospace.
Meridian Helicopters finished its 29th Bell 206 L4 refurbishment for FlyNYON, upgrading it with Garmin avionics, a modern interior, and an emergency float system for NYC operations.
The Advanced Air Mobility Institute and NAA are reviving the Pulitzer Trophy race this autumn, featuring electric aircraft to promote public acceptance of AAM.
Vertical Aerospace completed its first piloted thrust-borne flight with the VX4 eVTOL, becoming the second company globally to achieve this, and received UKCAA approval to expand testing.
Axons will supply its vegan technology, including licensing, catalysts, and equipment to Galp, Loken, and Safco Ventures for SAF and hydrogenated vegetable oil production.
OXCCU's CO2 Fischer-Tropsch tech cuts SAF production costs by 50% in capital and 25% per ton, offering a scalable, cost-effective solution for greener aviation fuels.
Embraer delivered 130 executive jets in 2024, a 13% increase from 2023, with strong growth in medium jets.
Dassault Aviation delivered 31 Falcon jets in 2024 and secured 26 new orders while facing potential U.S. trade tariff challenges.
Gilat Satellite Networks acquired Stellar Blu for $98 million, with up to $245 million potential to expand in the in-flight connectivity market. To learn more, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, X, YouTube, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.